I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Damn. Golly. What's going on, everybody? Muddy Rides here, bringing you another video. And by the intro of the video, you're probably wondering, did this guy really just fucking ride a Harley? The answer to that is yes, I did. If you guys are wondering what kind of Harley it is, it's a 2005 Harley Dyna. I think it's just a FXD. It's a cool little bike. Well, actually, that shit's probably, I think he said a 1450cc engine. So that shit hauls ass. But yeah, I rode that little sucker. Comfortable as shit, let me tell you that. Comfortable AF. Today's topic of the video is, of course, I have no fucking topic. Hey, you know what I've noticed, guys? That I actually have cut down on my cussing in my videos a good amount. I cut down on it a fairly decent amount, honestly. So, a round of applause for me for doing that shiznits. But right now we're going to fucking cycle gear. It's been raining already. Fucking gas weather. So hence why I haven't been fucking riding or being able to put out a video. Hey, quick shout out to Frank. Your comments right here. Shout out to you, my dude. I didn't post, I think, for like a good 3-4 days. And this guy hit me up, asking if I was all good and shit. So shout out to you, my boy. But yeah, like look at right now, it's gonna start sprinkling all over again. And this guy wanted to go ride, so I'm like, you know what? Fuck it, man. I haven't ridden in a cool while. So might as well get a ride in, get soaked. Hopefully nothing happens to my fucking charger. For all y'all wondering, I have ridden in the rain, so I'm kinda, I wouldn't say used to it, but I know what I'm doing. Kinda. This motherfucker said, nah bro, it's not gonna rain anymore. Oh, shit! Bro, I didn't fucking hear her. Fucking loud ass Harley, couldn't hear shit. Holy shit, I could have gotten hit. That would have hurt. Oh, rain's coming down harder now. Or I'm going a little faster, one of the two. They should make fucking windshield wipers for the visors of a motorcycle. That'll be pretty sick, honestly. day in Oxnard, California. God damn. Beautiful ass day. Sun is out. No rain at all. No stupid drivers at all. Oh, that's a big pothole. What else can you expect, guys? I can't hear you. Oh, let me close my fucking shit. Alright, it's closed.
Fucking raining, bro.
Oh fuck! What the fuck, bro? You said I wasn't gonna rain!
I go fuck.
I do!
Why?
I'm gonna get sick!
You're gonna slip, bro. Okay.
Fuck, man! Look at it! What the fuck? It looked like I was fucking kneeing in the water. Oh, watch out! God damn, I hope my fucking GoPro doesn't fuck up. Since I had to drill a freaking hole. Hey, take it slow. Lord protect you in this turn, brother. Come on, bro. God damn it. God damn it. One like is one prayer for the Jixer Pants, man. I don't know if they're gonna make it out of this one. They've been through a heck of a fight, a heck of a life, and this rain's about to now the fucking sun's coming out. What kind of bullshit is that, dude?
Mom was probably happy getting cold.
Yeah, probably. I would be too. Oh, it's not gonna rain.
Huh?
Stacy, you good? Yeah, you good. What the fuck? Where's my shit?
Oh.
Fuck, I gotta clean that shit now. Fuck your leather pants.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, we're fucking leaving Cycle Gear. It's fucking cold. I didn't know we were gonna go through or not. Hey, comment down below if you want me to do a review on that fucking Harley. Right there. Comment down below. Cause I don't know, I kinda want to. But yeah. There's a lot of shit talking on the Harley, and I wanna either add on to that shit talking or stop it. Yeah, fucking dig. Also, sorry if the camera was full of water droplets and shit, because it was. When I got a Cycle Gear, I took it off and I saw. I was like, oh shit, water droplets on my fucking camera. God damn it. And there's probably still some on it right now. And if there is, I'm sorry. I'll try to wipe it down every so often. Oh my god, it's a big old pothole, bro. God damn, don't you guys just love this weather, man? Obvious sarcasm if you can't tell. This shit fucking sucks, man. I can't ride, I can't record, I can't make some sexy ass content for y'all. Like, come on now. But oh well. Nothing I can do. I ain't Mother Nature. So fuck it. But that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Sorry if it was kind of short. I don't know how long it is until I finish rendering it. But hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to smack that like button. Comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. I always ask and you guys don't tell me, so I come out with some fucking freaky shit. Subscribe if you're new. This is Marty Rise, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up. I too tired.